This stitch is a running stitch. I have my thread in my left hand flattened and I lower my needle over the thread. Pull it through about 1/3 of the length, and you don't want to cut a very long piece of thread because it gets knotted. Come up from the back and a few holes in there. Hold the thread away. Do one more stitch. And that's you ready to go. Now, with a running stitch, we're going to go every other hole. So start there, and you can go in and out, in and out. I'm using my needle hand, my right hand to push the needle in, and my left hand to help the material bend. In, out, in, out. And when I get to the end, I go in, then come up in the same place again and do the stitch twice. And if I want to, I then put the thread underneath these little loops at the back, pull it out and snip.